this is Natasha Advani here, Manifestation and Wellness Coach. But today I'm giving you a very important information on beware of wishing. What is wishing? Last month, the government released a circular warning its employees of a sophisticated cybercrime called wishing, which is short for voice plus phishing. It's a technique where a threat actor calls the victim over the phone and they trick you to click on malicious files on the website to give all your personal information and your bank account details and all that. But please be careful, do not do that. And artificial intelligence only adds to the worry, which aids the attacker to it imitates the voice and mannerism to such an extent that it makes it easier to trick the victim. So the government advisory has asked the employees to independently verify the caller's identity and avoid sharing personal information. So what is wishing? Wishing is, first and foremost, when the voice is phishing is carried out through a call or a mobile phone. Here the attacker will seek sensitive information about your bank account details and all. And be aware, do not do that. And what can the caller do? It can pretend to be the government, or I'm calling for some important information, some agency, so they'll create fear in you. So please be careful about all that. And if you notice, if it's a fake call, the quality behind the call will be there will be background noises and all. And if you are really alert, you'll be aware that it's not a person calling, because now through technology it's getting so advanced, it's very difficult to identify. But these are like poor quality voices, audio quality will be there, there'll be background noises. So please be aware of that. So what can we do to avoid, what can we do against wishing? The simplest thing to do is to screen your calls before taking any of the calls. Don't if it doesn't look right, don't take it. Okay, if it's suspicious, and do not answer any questions. And they can also create fear, like what happened to the recent case of the courier case, where this lady was forced, to do certain things by saying they are from narcotic and you are into drugs and all. It was all false information. So please be very aware of that. So be aware that it's a scammer, and by mistake, if you have given the information, immediately contact the police, contact your bank, so that your account is not swiped out. This is very, very important information. Don't take this lightly if you feel it's suspicious or something. And please forward this video to your family and friends so everyone is aware, because nowadays cybercrime is a very, very big thing. People are losing a lot of money through these fake calls, and sometimes you can't even make out. So be very alert. And if you're suspicious, you have that gut of suspicion that I don't want to take the call, please do not take it. So thank you so much listening to this video, and please forward this to your family and friends. Thank you.